Hello people, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. This is going to be a recap of the earlier stream. If you want to join me on the stream, check out Good Free Photos channel, and also that's in the description in the comments below. I stream every day besides Sunday. Also, check out Crypto Daily Updates. That's one great crypto video every day encompassing all the day's crypto news. So let's actually get on with the recap. So the thing is, the first thing we talk about is Bitcoin halving and the major pump that's actually happened today. Yes, I do believe it's the pre-halving pump. It's about $8,800 right now. It's gone up over $1,000 in the yesterday. And you can actually see, we're actually looking at the graph for the 2016 pump. Now the 2016 pump actually was July 9th, so it's like somewhere around here. And as you can see, before the 2016 pump, we went way up as well. So we're following that pattern. However, in 2016, there wasn't a pandemic, so the timelines are a little bit weird. In 2016, the pump actually ended about 20 days before the actual halving, and then dumped once before the halving, recovered a bit around the halving time, and then after the halving, it actually flattened out for about a month before dumping some more. So based on that, what happened historically, we should actually, after the halving, flatten out a little bit and then dump some more. If you want to go with the ratios of these numbers, I would say we should dump to around maybe 6,000, upper 5,000s after the halving. However, they didn't really have quite the same thing last time, because right now, like, the Bitcoin miners aren't going to be profitable under 8,000 after the halving. So we actually might not dump. No one really knows for sure, but if you're going by historical charts, we should actually dump after the halving, because it actually happened after 2016. And that, really is the only thing we can really go on. And as for the Bitcoin rise, as you can see, it's actually following 2016 pretty well. 2016, we rose from $400 something to almost $800 right before the halving, $750 before the halving. And then we actually dumped to the lower 500s once after the halving. And then after that, we slowly started recovering and going back up. So that's kind of where we're at. That's really kind of where we're at right now. We could expect a dump after the halving. There has been a lot of Bitcoin and XRP and Ethereum movements. I don't really know what the whales are planning to do. There seems to be a lot of tether printing at this time too. So there's probably a lot of manipulation going on. And if they have a sale at the same time, we definitely could experience some dumping. So just keep that in mind. But remember, the Bitcoin miners have to maintain a price above 8,000 probably to keep profitable after the halving. So where we have that right now, but I just wanted you guys to look at a little bit at the charts of what happened around last halving, so you can make the best informed decision by yourself, because this historical data for the last halving is really the only real data we have. Yes, there was a halving back in 2012 as well, but that's way too early in terms of cryptocurrency. But note that after the fact, there was about a year and a half between the halving and when cryptocurrency actually exploded. We actually did the halving in mid-2012. It blew up in the end of 2013. We did the halving in mid-2016. It blew up at the end of 2017. So according to that pattern, we should actually have the halving in mid-2020, and it should blow up at the end of 2021, according to that graph, or according to that cycle. Will it actually do that? No one really knows, but that's the best thing we actually have to go on, because that's the only historical data we actually have. The second thing is Cardano's blockchain has actually been confirmed in a collaboration with New Balance. This isn't just speculation now, it's been absolutely confirmed. It's called MB Chain, and you can see it on the Apple App Store. MB Chain, it says New Balance Athletics. This is an app made by New Balance itself, and it's to track shoes. And look at what it says in the description. Participate in the New Balance pilot launch of a tech stack that combats fake products. The initiative protects your ownership of limited edition OMN1s using MB Real Chain powered by Cardano. So New Balance has themselves confirmed in their app. The app is actually out. So this is not a theoretical product. It's actually a product that's already out and is confirmed to be using Cardano. New Balance published this app themselves on the Apple App Store, and it definitely is powered by Cardano, so they're going ahead. My guess is after this, they're going to expand it to more brands in the New Balance lineup. So the New Balance Cardano partnership is pretty much solidified at this point. They already have a live app. Not only is it solidified, they actually have a live app that uses the Cardano technology on one of their brands right now. So excellent news for your Cardano fans. Those people who say Cardano is a scam, this makes it much less likely that they're a scam, because New Balance actually has a product that actually runs on Cardano, despite the fact that Shelly isn't quite out yet. I guess New Balance doesn't really care if it's a centralized or decentralized chain right now. They can actually authenticate their products with the data on the chain. The other thing is that Ripple's CEO, David Schwartz, actually got banned from YouTube. Now, a lot of you guys will think this is a revenge ban for Ripple suing YouTube. I actually don't think that. I actually think that this is actually triggered by Ripple's lawsuit against, it is triggered by Ripple's lawsuit against YouTube, but it's not really a revenge ban. It's just that like when YouTube gets sued, they institute like a scorched earth policy against like all content of that type. And the bots, like, their bots like really dumb. So it can't determine which is a real, like I've said before, they can't determine which is a good channel and what's a scam channel. So it basically bans everything within that topic. So like any channel that has like Brad Garlinghouse or David Schwartz or like in association with Ripple XRP, those are actually going to get banned. Anything that has a giveaway is probably going to get banned as well. So that's the issue right there. I don't think this was like a target. I don't think this was targeted. I think they just told their bot like, okay, ban anything that has a chance of impersonation. So like, oh, the bot's like, oh, David Schwartz channel must be impersonating the CTO. It doesn't know that it's the actual CTO account. And I think YouTube will actually correct its error. But no, I don't think it was a revenge ban. I think it's just the bot being dumb because the bot is making a huge amount of mistakes. The bot's actually making a huge amount of mistakes in terms of who they ban actually right now. They're banning channels and targeting live streams. So in the title of this thing, I'm just going to say crypto CTO banned from YouTube. Not going to mention the company or the name because I don't want to trigger a bot ban because that would be really, really bad. YouTube, got to fix your problem, man. Your bot's just not very good and you actually need real human reviewers even during this time. Thank you and have a nice day.